What is up, guys? It's Nick from Tech the Blind. I'm back with another video for the Braille series called Braille Tutorials Part 3, where I'll be talking about other contractions like short form Braille and other contractions that are very useful when writing. Let's start with some basic ones for you guys. The and, for, of, the, with contractions. So and is backwards wise. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And that you can put that in any sentence. Then 4 is all 6 dots, also known as a full cell. Of is dots 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The is the backwards Z, so it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you haven't figured out, there's a kind of pattern to how it all looks and how it works. So let me scroll up a bit so I can show you guys these other contractions. Now let's talk about short form words in Braille. So let's start with the one that you should know. So there's actually a short form word for Braille, which is BRL. Dots 1, 2. R is 1, 2, 3, 5. L is dots 1, 2, 3. And that word is Braille. LR is letter. There's also, what are good to know. It's not really, well, it is a short form of the word. So child is CH sign, so that's 1, 6. ST is stills, and that's 2, 5. Then there's also dot 5 contractions. So let me show you the word name in Braille with that's contracted. So dot 5 N is name. Now let me show you these contractions. Might turn my light for this one. So you see BRL. Oh crap, I gotta write this one down. Also, blind is just BL. That dropped E. Well, no, that's not E actually. Yeah, it actually is. Then you have still. The .5n is name. You can see how much shorter that is. This is going to be a much shorter video. There will be part 2 to this as well, because I can't remember all of them off the top of my head. I just want to get some quick content out for you guys. And also, I'll be making a slate and stylus video soon. That should be interesting. Because slate and stylus is like a manual brailler, dot by dot. So there's .5T. That stands for time. .5 THC sign stands for there. Like, there are many people here. THERE. There's also the ER sign, so ER is just ER. But it's like a backwards Q. There's the AR sign. That's 3, 4, 5. The GH sign. 1, 2, 6. There is also a sign, blind, so BL, blind. There's the IN sign, which is 3, 5. EN is dots 2, 6. Now that you guys know more contractions, I'm going to do an actual sentence with a question mark as well. And the question mark is 2, 3, 6. Or you can also combine these contractions to make words. So let's say, I'm going to do this since I was going to do originally yesterday. So, Nick has a YouTube channel with the CH sign. Called Tech of the Blind. Of the blind. Now I'm going to write that same sentence without those contractions and show you the difference. I hope you guys can see this. But it's a bit longer, but not as long as the first version, which is the contracted version. So pretty much in the last 2 months, I've taught you grade 1 Braille, which is uncontracted, and grade 2 Braille, which is uncontracted. Now, the next video I'm going to cover is actually about the rules of Braille, because in the last couple years they updated the Braille rules, and they're a bit different. I will see you guys later in a new video. Like, subscribe, and share.